Now, as we all know that the roots perform the primary functions also, and they perform the secondary functions also. So, primary functions of the roots are to fix the plant in the soil and to absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. So now we all know that the roots have the primary functions, means it fixes the plant in the soil and absorb water and minerals for the plant from the soil, and here it has the secondary functions. So for secondary functions, to perform the secondary functions, the roots undergo certain modifications. Modifications in the roots occur to perform the secondary functions. Now in this topic, in this video, we will discuss about the modification of the roots to perform secondary functions. So first modification of roots is for the storage of food. First modification of the root is for storage of food. Certain roots like of carrot, radish, turnip, their roots become swollen. Why their roots become swollen? Their roots become swollen. Why they swell? So that they can store food for plants. So that they can store food for plant. So this is the modification of the roots. Certain roots of the plants like radish, carrot, turnip, their roots become swollen. Why they swell? Because they have to store the food for the plant. We can say that these roots store the food for plants, so that they have undergo the modification. After this, certain roots provide additional support to the plant. Provide additional support. Why the plant needs additional support? Because due to heavy wind or any weather adversity, certain plants, they are not so strong. Certain plants are weak, so they will fall away by the strong wind. So they need the additional support, and this additional support is provided by the roots. And the roots that are providing additional support, they are of two types. One is prop roots, and second is slit roots. Roots that are providing the additional support, they are of two types. One is prop roots and slit root. In case of prop roots, these are pillar-like roots. Pillar-like roots, and they are hanging down from the branches of the trees. They are hanging from the branches of trees, so that they will provide the additional support to the plant. Now we have seen the banana tree. In case of banana tree, from its branches, certain roots are hanging. What is the function of these roots? The function of these roots is to provide additional support to the plant. Prop roots are found in case of banana tree. Second is slit roots. Slit roots are found in case of sugarcane, maize plant, or bamboo. The function of slit root is also to provide the additional support. Okay, these roots are pillar-like, but these slit roots are rope-like roots. And they are arising from the lower node of plant. For example, this is a sugarcane plant. Sugarcane is having the nodes. From the lowermost node of the sugarcane, certain roots are arising, and these roots are known as the slit roots. Okay. function of the proboscis root is to provide the additional support. The support provided by the prop root is more than the support that provided by the slit root. After this, next modification of the root is roots for respiration. Next is modification of the roots for respiration. Certain plants that are growing in the marshy area or in the swampy area, their roots comes from the ground and start performing the function of respiration. Their roots come out from the ground and start performing the respiration. These type of roots are mainly found in the mangrove trees. Okay, they are found in the mangrove trees. We all know that the mangrove trees are growing in the marshy or swampy area. So, what happens in these trees? Their roots from the ground come out. From the ground they come out on the surface of ground and start performing the process of respiration. And these roots are also known as nematophores. These are generally found in the mangrove trees. After that, for the absorption of water from certain roots modify to absorb water from the air. Absorption of water from air. Absorption of water from air. Certain roots modify so that they can absorb the water from the atmosphere. For example, in case of epiphytes. Epiphytes, you can say orchids. Their roots perform the secondary function, and that function is known as absorption of water from the atmosphere. These roots hang down and absorb the moisture from the atmosphere for the plant. After this, the next roots are feeder roots. Feeder roots are generally found in money plant. These are found in the money plant. What happens in this? In certain plants like money plant, long aerial roots develop. Okay, aerial roots means the roots that are present in the air, and then they go into the soil for the absorption of water. Certain plants like money plant, they develop aerial roots, and then these aerial roots will go and penetrate into the soil for absorption of moisture or water. This is also the secondary function that is performed by roots. After this, we have nodulated roots. These roots are known as feeder roots. Next, we have and the function of this bacteria is to fix the nitrogen for the plant and increase the fertility of the soil. And we have mostly seen that before growing the wheat crop or rice crop, the farmers generally plant the leguminous plants in the soil. Why? So in order to increase the fertility of their soils. So if it is asked which are the leguminous plant, pea, gram, legumes, okay, groundnut, these all are the examples of leguminous plant. And in these plants, the roots are having the nodules, and in that nodules, in that swollen portion of roots, bacteria is living, bacteria is dwelling, and the function of this bacteria is to fix the nitrogen for the plant. After that we have sucking roots. Sucking roots. Sucking roots are also known as haustoria. Haustoria. These are generally found in the plants like Cuscuta. What happens in case of sucking roots? In this, certain roots. In this, the roots help the plant to suck the nutrition from the host plant. These roots, these sucking roots, what is the function? They have to suck or absorb the nutrients from the host plant. They will absorb or suck the nutrients from the host plant. And these roots are generally found in Cuscuta. After this is all about the modification of roots. And in case of onion, they have advantageous roots. Onion. In case of onion, we all know this is the structure of onion. These are the scales of onion, and between these scales a terminal bud is present, and below this there is a white portion present. This white portion is the stem of onion, or we can say it is the reduced stem of onion. And from this